Dear students, welcome to the Math Olympiad Academy. Let us first explain the given figure to understand it better. Let P be a point outside a circle, and let K, L, and M be points on its circumference, such that from point P, a tangent is drawn to the circle, touching it at point K. The length of the segment PK is 10 centimeters. From the same point P, a secant is also drawn, which enters the circle at point L and leaves it at point M, passing through the center of the circle. Therefore, the segment LM is a diameter. We are also given that the length of the segment PL is 4 centimeters. Question: find the radius, R, of the circle. Let's solve this problem step by step. First, recall the tangent-secant theorem. When a tangent and a secant are drawn from the same point outside a circle, the square of the length of the tangent is equal to the product of the entire secant segment and its external part. Namely, pk squared equals pl times pm. In this problem, the tangent is pk. We are told that pk equals 10 centimeters. So, the square of pk is 100. That means pk squared equals 100. Now, look at the secant. The secant starts at point P, enters the circle at point L, and exits at point M. The distance from P to L is given as 4 centimeters. So, the external part of the secant is 4 centimeters. But we need the full length of the secant, from P to M. To find that, we use a key fact. The secant passes through the center of the circle. That means the segment from L to M is a diameter. Since the radius is r, the diameter must be 2 times r. So, the distance from L to M is 2r. Therefore, the entire secant PM is equal to PL plus LM. That is 4 plus 2r. Now, apply the tangent-secant theorem. The square of the tangent equals the external part times the whole secant. So, 100 equals 4 multiplied by the quantity 4 plus 2r. Let's write that equation. 100 equals 4 times the sum of 4 and 2r. Now, we have the equation 10 squared equals 4 times the quantity 4 plus 2r. First, divide both sides by 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25, which gives 25 equals 4 plus 2r. Next, subtract 4 from both sides. 25 minus 4 is 21, so 2r equals 21. Now, divide both sides by 2. 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. So, the r equals 10.5 centimeters. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 10.5 centimeters. Final answer: the radius is 10.5 centimeters. Great job, dear students! Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next problem-solving lesson at Math Olympiad Academy to acquire skills and the art of problem-solving.